And something the other day about her being a pastor or whatnot.
What? You know women can't preach?
What verse tell you women can't preach?
1 Timothy 2:12.
1 Timothy 2:12.
Yeah.
You ain't even looking at. I bet. Let's get the precepts. Let's get the precepts out. 1 Timothy 2:12. But I suffer not for a woman to teach, nor to usurp authority over a man, but to be in silence. That's what you talking about.
Yeah, silence.
I bet. Let's get some clarity on this thing. Let's get some clarity. Acts 21:9. Philip had 4 daughters who prophesied. Acts 18:24-26. Priscilla and Aquila corrected Apollos at the church when he was preaching false doctrine. Romans 16:1-16. Paul listed his helpers, and when he listed his helpers, at least 10 of his people who were helpers were women. Acts 16:13-15. When it's talking about the church of Philippi, it's talking about how Lydia was the reason that they were in the good shape of health that they were in. Philippians 4:2-3. And it listed 2 women who were helpers in the gospel and labored with them. Luke 8:1-3. It's talking about how Luke gave recognition to the women who were a major contribution to Yahshua's ministry. Acts 2:17. And I'm gonna pour out my spirit upon all flesh, and your sons and daughters gonna prophesy. Galatians 3:28. He's talking about right here. He says that there is no Jew nor Greek, there is no bond nor free, and there is no male nor female in the salvation of Elohim. So what you saying, that it's a different spirit in you that's in the woman? Because if we in the salvation of the Elohim, there's no male nor female, there's no Jew, no Greek. We all the same thing. See, that's what I'm saying. Y'all like to take books out of context and whatnot. When y'all don't understand that Paul was writing to specific churches, dealing with specific things. All those churches that he wrote to, all those books that he wrote, he was writing to specific people, specific churches dealing with specific problems. And that book that you reading right there with Timothy and whatnot, and when he was talking to them in that church right there, it was women, they were being idol worshipped. He was talking to those women specifically because those women had rule and authority over everybody in there. Don't try to make that fit for everybody. Now, I agree that a woman ain't supposed to have authority over a man simply because we're supposed to be each other's helpmate. And the last time that women made decisions for us, we ended up getting kicked out of the Garden of Eden. That I agree to. But you saying that she can't teach, I don't agree to that. And this right here is exactly what Peter said. Why Peter said what he said in 2 Peter 3:15-16. He said right here, he said, and reckon the patience of our Adon as deliverance, as also our beloved brother Shaul wrote to you, according to the wisdom given to him. As also in these letters, speaking in these concerning things, in which some are hard to understand. He telling you right there that the stuff that Shaul writing, the stuff that Paul writing is hard to understand. And he said that which those who are untaught and unstable twist to their own destruction, as they do the other scriptures. He telling you right there that people twisting these words to their own destruction. So again, you saying that women can't teach? No. Nobody never said that. Nobody in the Bible never said that. You twisting it. Now, the fact that they shouldn't have authority over a man, I can agree with that to a certain extent. Because the last time they had authority over here and chose for us, we got kicked out the Garden of Eden. So I respect that. We should have the first decision. But to just be out here saying that they can't teach because you don't want to listen to them, you incorrect. And you twisting scripture.